Hello, this is Akhtar Shipur. Today we are going to learn about the telephone. From invention to modern evolution, how telephone change our life and how it's connect us to other people around the world. Let's get started. For introduction, first we have to learn about what is telephone. Telephone is a device by which sound is converted into electrical impulses and transmitted to one or more specific receiver's phone. The telephone rang, we speak on telephone. The telephone revolutionized communication, evolving from Alexander Graham Bell's 1876 invention to modern smartphones with internet and AI. Its development from landlines to mobile phones and digital systems has made it essential for society. Despite challenges like dependency and privacy, future advancements including 5G, AI, and enhanced global connectivity. Next is the history of the telephone. Invention by Alexander Graham Bell, 1876. Early telephones had simple designs consisting of a transmitter and receiver connected by wires, enabling basic voice transmission. They required manual operation through switchboards, limiting scalability and efficiency for widespread use. Sound quality was often poor due to rudimentary technology and interference in signal transmission. Telephones were stationary, restricting mobility and requiring users to stay near specific locations to make or receive calls. High installation and maintenance costs made early telephones inaccessible to many, limiting their adoption to urban and affluent areas. Evolution of telephones. The evolution of the telephone began with Alexander Graham Bell's invention of the first practical telephones, which allowed voice communication over wires. Early telephones were large, stationary devices limited to wired connection. Over the 20th century, technological advancement led to the introduction of rotary dials, the transistors, and mobile phones. In the 1980s, mobile phones became more compact, evolving from bulky devices to smaller, portable models. The advent of smartphones in the 20s revolutionized communication by integrating features like touchscreens, internet access, and advanced applications, marking the shift from basic telephony to multiplication devices. Today, telephones are integral to daily life with communication often occurring through mobile networks, Wi-Fi, and variety of internet-based platforms. As you can see on the screen, how from 1982 to 2007 telephone companies changes their features and applications and models day by day. Now we are going to learn about how telephone actually works. Sound waves are mechanical vibrations that microphones capture by converting them into electrical signals through diaphragm movement and changes in components like coils and capacitors. These signals are transmitted via wires or wirelessly, then reconverted into sound waves by speakers and the receiving end. This process forms the foundation of telecommunication systems, including telephones and audio devices. Landline technology uses physical wires to transmit voice signals, offering reliable but stationary communication. Mobile technology enables wireless communication through cellular networks, providing a portability and advanced features like internet connectivity. Advancements like VoIP enable voice communication over the internet, reducing cost and improving accessibility. Internet calling integrates features like video conferencing and cross-platform compatibility, enhancing global connectivity. Now the impact of telephones in our society. Telephones revolutionized how people connect, enabling instant communication across distances. Businesses expanded and improved efficiency through faster and more reliable connection. Telephones strengthened personal relationships by keeping families and friends connected. They enhanced safety by allowing quick access to emergency services during crises. Telephone also connecting the world in the real time. Now some challenges and the future of technology. Early challenges was like early telephones had poor sound quality, building phone lines was hard and costly, different systems couldn't connect easily, phones were too costly for most people. Current issues are like too many unwanted and spam calls, fraud through fake calls, calls can be tracked down and recorded so there are no privacy, bad connection in some areas even though it's 21st century, landlines are outdated and costly to maintain. There will be some future technology in telephone like faster and more reliable mobile networks, smarter voice assistants and call management, more video and AR and VR calling features such as holographic calling, eco-friendly materials and energy efficient devices, integration with smart devices and lots systems. In the conclusion, the telephone revolutionized communication, making instant and long-distance interaction possible. It enabled business growth, personal connectivity, and emergency response systems. Modern telephones like smartphones integrate advanced features that are essential for daily life and global connectivity. Embracing technology responsibly means using it ethically and considering its impact on society. It involves ensuring privacy, security, and sustainability with fostering innovations. Thank you for listening. Now, the fun fact. Do you know when the first mobile phone call was made and by who? The first mobile phone call was made on April 3, 1973 by Martin Cooper, a Motorola executive. He used a Motorola Dynatec, a bulky prototype mobile phone, to make the call to his rival, Dr. Joel Engel, who was working at Bell's Lab. The historic call marked the beginning of the mobile phone.